Welcome back to my channel Titanium Beauty. My name is Tulika Thakur and today I've brought another lipstick review for you guys. And today I'm going to review these lipsticks. These are from the brand Maybelline from their range Matte Lip Ink. These have newly launched lipsticks and I got two shades from this range. I wanted a red shade from a very long time, so I've got one red shade and one neutral nude shade which can be used on everyday basis. So I'll be swatching these shades on my hand as well as on my lips. So if you are interested in these lipsticks, then please keep on watching the video. So guys, first I'll talk about the packaging of these lipstick. As you can see, the packaging is color coded and I just love the packaging of these lipstick. From their packaging only you can know what shade it is, and it's a very classy packaging. I just love the packaging. It's very sturdy, so no chance of spilling in your bag and like that. And yes, looks very classy. And yes, the price of this lipstick is rupees 650. So I got one for 550 and one for 520 rupees. So I'll mention the price. Discount is going on these lipsticks, so I'll give you the link in the description box. If you want to purchase these lipsticks, then you can check out the link and buy them from there. So yes, the packaging is very nice. Everything, ingredients and everything is mentioned, price and everything, expiry, everything is mentioned yes, on the packaging. The quantity that you get is 5 ml, and the shelf life of this lipstick is 4 years, which is like normal. Every lipsticks give 4 to 5 years, so the shelf life is 4 years. Quantity is 5 ml. Now let's talk about the applicator of the lipstick. Let's open it. It glides on be very careful while opening the lipstick, because it might fall on your clothes. So it's liquidy. You can see the applicator. Let me show you clearly. See the applicator. The applicator is very precise, so you can apply the lipstick very nicely onto your lips, very precisely, and it is pointed applicator, so you can apply it very precisely onto your lips. So I just love the applicator, and I will also share my experience when I apply it on my lips later in the swatches. So, and yes, the smell of the lipstick is like what should I say, it's like caramelly, so a little bit chemically smell, but I don't mind the smell that much. It's okay, and once you apply it, the smell goes away, so that's not an issue. It's not bad. Even for me, it's not a bad. Okay, so now without wasting any time, let's move on towards the swatches of the lipstick. Okay guys, so I've already removed the lipstick that I had put earlier. Now one thing that I would advise you, that these lipsticks are very dehydrating, so it's better to apply a coat of lip balm before you apply the lipstick. So here I'm using the Maybelline lip balm. You can use any lip balm that you want, so just apply a nice coat of lip balm before applying the lipstick. right now I'm wearing the shade Versatile, and this is my very favorite shade. Although in the camera it's looking a little bit light on my lips, but it's not that light. It is a very nice nude shade with pink and brown undertone, and this is really pretty shade. I am just in love with this shade. I was a little confused while ordering whether I should order self starter or Versatile. I thought that this might wash me out, because many YouTubers said that it is for fair to medium skin tone, but it might also wash some of the medium skin tones. So I thought it's very light like other shades like in Loyalist and Dreamer of this range. But then I thought self starter is a little bit more darker, and I wanted a very light shade on daily based person, a very everyday kind of a shade. So I ordered this, but I was a little bit in doubt. But now when I've applied this shade is really pretty. So those who are confused in between self starter and they want a very light everyday nudish shade, then they should go for Versatile. This is a very pretty everyday shade. I am just love. Out of these two, Versatile is my favorite. Or I did not like Pioneer that much, because it was a cool tone red color and I wanted a warm tone red, so it looked a little bit dark on me. I didn't like Pioneer that much, but Versatile is my favorite. I would recommend this shade to every one of you. Please buy this one. Those who have fair to medium complexion, this is a very beautiful shade. And yes, talking about the texture of these lipstick, when you apply it, these feels a little bit sticky onto the lips. Right now I'm feeling very sticky, but when let it dry up complete, it will take a time, it will take a little while to dry up, but once it's dried it will stop feeling this much of sticky. So, and yes, the smell also goes away. So right now it's a little bit uncomfortable on the lips, it's sticky. I've also wore this shade twice before, and this lasted for very long, and I even ate oily food. So after so many hours it just went away from the middle of my lips even after eating oily food. So yes, the claim that it stays for 16 hours is true. I've not applied it for 16 hours, but yes, I wore it for approx 10 hours and it stayed on my lips and it did not go anywhere. So this is a very super stay long lasting lipstick. So I really love, and I would definitely try other shades of this, but this Versatile is my favorite shade, guys. So yes, if you enjoyed this video, then please do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel Titanium Beauty. And as last, I would like to say that please love animals as they're innocent souls, and if you can't love them, then it's a humble request to you all, guys, please don't harm them. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.